Hey guys, my name's Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own liquid green screen transitions on your iPhone. I made some green screens that you can use. They're copyright free. So I'm going to show you how to download this video and clip them and get them into a program where you can make something cool on your iPhone. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the share button in the upper right hand corner of this video to copy the link. Then you're going to jump over to the Documents app, go to the internet, and go to Save from Net. This is where you're going to paste the link that you just copied, and it's going to make you watch like a 5-second ad. Now, don't download this, just play. Don't change these, just let it go to your documents, downloads. You're gonna see it, a little red arrow right here. You can see your downloads, and then once that's done, you can hit this little purple folder, go back over here, just so I think it appears like this. So you click your downloads, and then click these three little buttons at the bottom where you can move. And so you can now move this to your photos and just click the bottom blue move to photos. So now you have the footage on your iPhone. So it's kind of up to you now. You can use an app like PocketVideo or something that supports green screens. Yeah, so you should be able to now put some footage in the background. How about this? And then now you can be able to add, now you can add a video sticker. So that's what the green screen is. So again, from your camera roll, choose the in and out. I did this really sloppy. Out. Done. Make it big, mask, green screen. Very cool. So this is really easy. If you guys like this and it helps you, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up.